Welcome to this beginner's guide to Monday.com Kanban view. In this tutorial we will cover the basics of Kanban view and how to use it effectively in your workflow. First, let's start with what Kanban is. Kanban is a visual system for managing work. It helps teams to visualize their workflow, track progress and identify bottlenecks. The Kanban view in Monday.com is a board that displays your items as cards, which can be moved across different columns to represent the different stages of your workflow. To get started with Kanban view in Monday.com, navigate to your board and click on the View menu. Then select Kanban. This will transform your board into a Kanban board. The columns on the board represent the different stages of your workflow, and the cards represent the individual items. Each card can have multiple attributes such as text, numbers, dates and more. You can also add attachments, comments and due dates to each card. To move a card across different columns, simply drag and drop it. This will update the status of the item and reflect the new stage in your workflow. One of the key benefits of using Kanban view is that it allows teams to work in a flexible and iterative way. You can add new items to the board at any time and move them across different stages as needed. This makes it ideal for teams that need to adapt quickly to changing requirements. To get the most out of Kanban view, it's essential to set up your board correctly. Start by defining the different stages of your workflow and create columns for each stage. Then, add your items to the board as cards and move them across different columns as they progress through the workflow. Best practices for using Kanban view include limiting the number of items in each column. This helps to prevent bottlenecks and ensures that teams are working on the most important items. First, you should also establish clear criteria for moving items across different stages. This helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that items are being moved consistently. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Kanban view in Monday.com to streamline your workflow, improve collaboration and increase productivity. Remember to keep your board up to date and to review and adjust your workflow regularly to ensure that it's working effectively. With practice, you'll become proficient in using Kanban view and be able to take your workflow to the next level.